afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, October 14th, and you know what that means. It's a
Funky
Fresh
Friday
here at Academy Mortgage. Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John, guys.
Hey, and we're here to tell you about some cool things happening all over Arizona this weekend.
What's going to be first on the agenda, Rob?
Well, first, my favorite day of the year, we want to wish everyone a happy National Dessert Day. As you can tell, I enjoy the desserts, right? So everybody enjoys desserts, and around the country on October 14th, on National Dessert Day, right? It's celebrated by way of going to your local bakery, going to grandma's house, a chocolate shop, and, you know, any dessert, guys, anything qualifies as a dessert, right? Candies, pies, ice cream, fruits, cookies, pastries, cobblers, donuts.
Some chocolate chip cookies sound great right about now, Rob.
Oh, man, I'll tell you, right out of the oven, still warm and gooey and chewy inside. That really sounds good. Hey, and everyone at home, message us and tell us your favorite dessert. We'd love to hear from you.
Absolutely. So please comment with your preferred treat of choice.
Excellent.
What's up next, Rob?
Well, I'll tell you, John, how about Halloween Spooktracula?
Ooh, scared me.
That's right. Stop in for a spell as the Paradise and Pacific Railroad is transformed into a haunted park of fun for their Halloween Spooktracula. The family-friendly event is perfect for kids of all ages, and they will creep it real. I know, creep it real, right? It ain't easy being cheesy. They're going to creep it real with the event's main feature, a spooky train ride created with the younger children in mind. It's going to be a bit spooky, but don't worry, not too frightening. And they're going to allow 650 people in for every hour-and-a-half block. So get there early. Now, the park will be accessible. If you've got tickets for your specific time block, you will be able to ride the train and carousel as many times as you want during your time block. And then, of course, when time block's up, they'll let you know everybody splits. So, John, where is it?
That's going to be over at the McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park, and that's at 7301 East Indian Bend Road, Scottsdale, 85250. Admission is just $15.
$15.
And, of course, this, again, recurs daily starting at 6 p.m.
Boy, $15, man. Combine two of your favorite things. Trains, Halloween, kids.
Can't beat it. Only thing left is automobiles.
Well, I'll tell you, planes, trains, and automobiles. I like that one.
What's up next,
That was a
Rob?
great movie. Well, John, something very near and dear to my heart. The city of Scottsdale is hosting the Scottsdale Taste of Italy and Music Festival. Get your Italian on. That's right. 2 days. 2 days of entertainment along with your favorite Italian food vendors. Plus, there's going to be new ones there to discover. Cool. There's going to be pasta, pizza, panini, cannelloni, gelato, espresso, and so much more. I can't even tell you. So they're going to have music and entertainment on 2 stages. There's going to be a really groovy VIP lounge, baby. And a light-up dance floor. Gotta have that. There's going to be face painting and balloons for the children, too. So, John, what are the details?
That's going to be this Saturday and Sunday, October the 15th and 16th at the Scottsdale Waterfront,
Beautiful area.
which is 7135 East Camelback Road, Scottsdale. Tickets are on pre-sale for a limited time, $10 per person.
Ooh.
Again, Saturday or Sunday. Children 12 and under, actually always free.
That's cool. That's very cool.
Oh, and of course, service animals only, please. No pets, just the service animal that you need.
If you need them, bring them.
What's up next, Rob?
Well, the Outback and the Rialto Theater present Rob Schneider, the I Have Issues Tour. Rob Schneider is an American actor, director, screenwriter, and comedian, and he is known as one of the popular comedians today. But you know what? He didn't have a fairy tale start to his career. He took up several odd jobs, performed at local clubs and radio stations before landing his position as a writer for SNL, right?
Yeah.
And then that was a springboard, right? Then they made him a feature player, then a cast player. But you know what? He's not satisfied easily, is he? Mm-hmm. He went on to further debut his big screen career. He had supporting roles, and then he landed the lead role in Deuce Bigelow, Male Gigolo.
Great movie.
That's a lot of fun, right? And that gained him a lot of street cred as an acclaimed comedic actor. And then over the course of the career, he's been in a number of films. He's been in Hot Chick, The Longest Yard, 51st Dates, 8 Crazy Nights, Don't Miss with Zohan, and probably one of my favorites too is Grown Ups.
Oh, great flick.
John, what are the details?
First of all, I don't know if you knew, he moved here recently to Scottsdale, which is cool. So he's actually a local now.
You know what? Come on,
Rob,
stop by.
Stop by the show. We'll love to have you on.
Rob Schneider, we'd love to have you as our guest. Come on, stop by.
Yep. And of course, this Sunday, October the 16th, doors are going to be open at 6. The show's on at 7. That's going to be in Tucson at the Rialto Theater. All ages can go. And of course, it's $35 to $60 to get in.
That's pretty reasonable.
Great pricing.
That's very great pricing. And you know what, everybody out there, please keep in mind,
if you happen to have a local upcoming event you'd love to have us promote and share, message us the details, and we'll try to get it on our next Funky Fresh Friday for y'all.
You know, John, and now it's our Radio Shack Presents.
We got questions?
You got answers. All right, let's do that again. Take two. All right, John, and now our Radio Shack Presents segment.
You got questions?
We've got answers. That's right. These are our answers to your mortgage-related queries. So today's question comes from Melissa in Tucson. And Melissa asks, doesn't it cost more to buy than to rent?
Not necessary, but that's a good question.
Very
Most
good question.
rentals these days will actually qualify you for a third of the income, which means obviously you need to have 3 times the income for that rent payment, which is typically the pre-qualification on that side. Plus you need first payments, last payments, sometimes deposits in the middle for pet fees, other application fees. Honestly, when qualifying for a home, they look at all your bills, including your potential mortgage to be, and actually that just has to be half of your income. So it's actually a little easier to qualify for on that part. Plus, as little as 3% or 0% down in some programs. With closing costs to close, that's it. The out-of-pocket's almost the same thing. Why would you want to rent when you can buy it?
You know, and a lot of people don't think about this. When you are renting, you are still paying a mortgage.
Good point.
It's just not your mortgage. You're paying all or part of your landlord's mortgage and not getting any of the benefits, like the end-of-year tax deductions, equity, wealth building. You know, these are just kind of things that make you go, So, hey, great question, Melissa. We appreciate you sending it in. Hope that answers it for you. And anybody else, you have a mortgage-related question, message us, and we will get it on next week's Funky Fresh Friday.
Yeah, give us a call at 480-251-1152 or give Rob a call
at 520-240-2189. And we'll be happy to answer any of those mortgage questions that can't wait for next week. So we're here to help you either live, in person, 24/7. Just call us, whatever we can do, guys. We're here, okay?
And you know, Rob, our best source of business comes from referrals and word of mouth from you guys, the audience.
You know, it sure does, John. And so we always like to take a minute and thank all of you for placing your trust in us when you refer us to your friends, family, and anyone that you need, anyone you know that needs home loans or just have home loan questions. Guys,
appreciate it, absolutely.
We appreciate your trust, guys.
Yeah, your referrals are the key to our success. So please and thank you for helping spread the word. Thanks again.
And keep in mind, at Academy Mortgage,
no loan is too big.
No loan is too small.
When it comes to home loans,
hey, we can handle them all. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Rob.
And I'm John, guys.
From Academy Mortgage. Yep. And we hope that you all have a funky, fresh Friday. All right. Woo. So get out there, enjoy some of these activities this weekend. And please remember to...
Oh, don't forget to click like and share. Follow us below. And we'll see you next week, guys.
You know, guys, be safe and make someone's day.